Welcome to the Immigrants in the USA podcast, where we understand that the journey of moving to a new country is filled with both hope and challenges. As immigrants ourselves, we have experienced firsthand the excitement of starting anew while navigating the complexities of life in America. Our podcast was born out of a deep desire to offer support and guidance to others like us, those who are already living here or dreaming of making the leap. Each week, we share 3 thoughtfully crafted episodes that cover an array of essential topics, from understanding American education systems and exploring travel destinations to achieving professional success and mastering financial literacy. Our mission is simple: to empower you with valuable insights and practical advice as you chart your own path in this diverse land. Whether you're seeking tips on improving your English skills or looking for inspiration on how to thrive in your new environment, we're here for you every step of the way. Together, let's navigate this beautiful tapestry of experiences that define life as an immigrant in the USA. Welcome to the Immigrants in the United States of America podcast. For the next few months, our podcast episodes published on Mondays will include excerpts from Maestro Sersea's eBook, Steps to Achieving the American Dream, a guide for immigrants in the USA, to help you further understand, be more motivated, and thrive in the United States of America. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Welcome to Maestro Sersea's podcast, Immigrants in the USA, where we share helpful tips and insights to inspire immigrants to thrive and reach their American dream. In today's episode, we will listen to the ebook Steps to Achieving the American Dream, a guide for immigrants to the United States by Maestro Sersea, and will focus on Chapter 3, Building a Strong Foundation, Education and Skills, including subchapters, Developing Marketable Skills and Specializations, and Leveraging Education and Skills for Career Advancement. Are you ready? Let's begin. Chapter 3, Building a Strong Foundation, Education and Skills. Developing Marketable Skills and Specializations. To realize the American dream, it is essential to equip oneself with valuable skills that can open doors to numerous opportunities. The United States of America is a country of boundless potential, but to make the most of it, immigrants must invest in their personal development and growth. Acquiring skills that are in demand will not only enhance their chances of finding employment, but will also set the stage for a successful career. Vocational training programs serve as a launching pad for individuals seeking practical skills in a specific field. These programs are tailored to provide hands-on training and industry-specific knowledge, making them an ideal choice for those looking to enter the workforce quickly. Whether it's a trade like plumbing, electrical work, or carpentry, or occupations in healthcare, hospitality, or technology, vocational training programs offer a focused curriculum that prepares individuals for immediate entry into the job market. Certifications, on the other hand, add credibility and validation to an individual's skill set. They demonstrate a level of competence and expertise in a particular field and are highly prized by employers. Obtaining certifications can be the distinguishing factor that sets an individual apart from others in a competitive job market. Many industries offer certification programs, ranging from IT certifications like CompTIA or Microsoft accreditations to healthcare certifications for nursing or medical assisting. By researching and pursuing certifications in their chosen field, individuals can significantly enhance their employability and career advancement. However, the path to success doesn't end with simply acquiring marketable skills and certifications. Continuous learning and career development are crucial for long-term success in any field. The United States provides numerous opportunities for individuals to further their education and expand their knowledge. Whether it's pursuing higher education at colleges and universities, attending workshops and conferences, or participating in professional development programs, there are unlimited avenues to remain current and competitive in today's dynamic job market. Furthermore, networking and seeking mentorship play vital roles in career development. Building relationships and connections within one's industry can lead to job opportunities, collaborations, and a deeper understanding of the field. Seeking guidance from experienced professionals can provide valuable insights, helping immigrants navigate the complexities of the American job market and gain a deeper understanding of industry-specific norms and expectations. In conclusion, developing marketable skills and specialized knowledge is a crucial component of achieving the American dream. Vocational training programs, certifications, continuous learning, and networking all contribute to an individual's employability and career growth. As immigrants, it is imperative to invest time and effort into acquiring the necessary skills and knowledge that will help pave the way to success in the United States of America. By doing so, we can overcome obstacles, seize opportunities, and turn our dreams into reality. Leveraging education and skills for career advancement. Let us begin by delving into the art of resume building. A well-crafted resume serves as your personal marketing tool, showcasing your education, skills, and experiences to potential employers. It is your ticket to opening doors of opportunity in the competitive job market. It is crucial to tailor your resume to align with the desired job requirements. Through my knowledge and experience, I will guide you step by step through this process, ensuring that your resume creates a lasting impression. Next, we will explore effective job search strategies. The vast landscape of job opportunities can be overwhelming, but fear not. I will provide you with the knowledge to navigate this terrain with confidence. Together, we will explore various resources such as online job portals, professional networking platforms, and industry-specific publications. I will share invaluable tips on how to conduct a targeted and efficient job search, thereby increasing your chances of finding the perfect match. In the midst of this discussion, it is crucial not to overlook the significance of networking. Networking plays a significant role in career advancement in the United States, often leading to unexpected opportunities. I will reveal the secrets to building a strong professional network, both online and offline. From attending industry conferences and events to utilizing digital platforms like LinkedIn, I will guide you through the process of establishing meaningful connections, nurturing relationships, and expanding your professional circle. Furthermore, I will introduce you to the power of informational interviews. Engaging in conversations with professionals in your desired field can provide valuable insights into the industry, enabling you to make informed decisions and lay the groundwork for potential career advancements. I will share techniques for approaching and conducting these interviews, ensuring that you maximize the knowledge gained from each interaction. In this subchapter, I encourage you to embrace the concept of continuous learning and professional development. While education is often perceived as something that ends with a diploma or degree, it is, in fact, a lifelong journey of acquiring new skills and knowledge. I will highlight the importance of staying current with industry trends and advancements, and provide various resources to help you expand your skill set and enhance your marketability. As a fellow immigrant who has successfully achieved the American dream, it is my honor to share my wisdom and experiences in this book. Each page serves as a testament to my belief that through hard work, dedication, and continuous education, you too can attain the pinnacle of success. Together, let us navigate the intricate landscape of career advancement and unlock the doors to your American dream.
Thank you for listening to today's episode of our Immigrants in the USA podcast, where we understand that the journey of moving to a new country is filled with both hope and challenges. Join us again as we share 3 distinct episodes each week that cover an array of essential topics, from understanding American education systems and exploring travel destinations to achieving personal and professional success and mastering financial literacy. You are invited to also visit our official website for Immigrants in the USA at www.immigrantsinthe.us. Together, let's navigate this beautiful tapestry of experiences that define life as an immigrant in the USA.